Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your save and state so nothing is lost. First, back up your save file, copy it from the app data or local game folder. This protects progress. Once done, quit Hollow Knight and close Steam or GOG fully because lingering processes lock files. Make sure to note which charms and notches are equipped by taking a quick screenshot. This saves you time when re-equipping. These initial steps prevent accidental data loss and let the repair proceed cleanly and safely. You now reset the charm state to clear corrupted flags. After backing up, delete the player data or specific settings file that stores charm-equipped flags. This forces the game to rebuild correct values. Once deleted, restart the game so it regenerates default charm data and rebinds effects correctly. Then, re-equip your charms manually, confirming each charm's effect and notch usage. If you see expected changes, the reset fixed inconsistent state. This addresses most soft corruption charm issues without reinstalling the whole game. Finally, verify integrity of game files through Steam or GOG to catch missing or corrupted resources. This often resolves lingering visual or effect bugs. If verification flags problems, reinstall only the necessary files or the entire game as a last resort. Keep your backup safe. Make sure to test charms in a safe area before continuing your run. If something goes wrong, restore the backup save and repeat the reset steps. This troubleshooting tip often clears stubborn or intermittent charm problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.